Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change time zone on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Whether you need to adjust it manually or troubleshoot issues, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by searching for Settings in the Start menu or by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the list. Once you're in Settings, click on Time and Language. From here, make sure that you are in Date and Time. In the Date and Time menu, you'll see the Time Zone option. If it's grayed out, that means the Set Time Zone Automatically option is turned on. To manually change your time zone, toggle off the Set Time Zone Automatically option. Now, you can select your desired time zone from the drop-down menu. If you notice any discrepancies, scroll down to Additional Settings and click Sync Now to ensure your clock is accurate. And that's how you change time zone on Windows 11 or 10 PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.